wasn't
I love it. I think it's the only place where I will take more than one.
more.
Yeah, I already eat that place like 3 times already. Amazing. So much water. This one is super cool. ¿En su teléfono es sencillo? I think we could resist not over the fire, but for example, over the ashes or over the coal, will be still fine. Hmm?
John! Daniela!
Tem uma aqui, tem uma mais na frente, se quiser. Se não estiver muito apertado,
No, no. Over there.
vai na próxima.
Yeah?
What a lovely breeze.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. You will see a lot of bromelias here. And tar plants that doesn't actually need to be attached to the ground, as you can see. What they do, their shape, it's actually perfect for every drop of rain that falls on their leaves will go to the center of the plant and will keep them. Which is really cool. Ooh, okay. I love this plant. It's extremely bad. Okay, how about? Watch out, watch out. First, I'm gonna explain you why. Okay, the thing is, on the sun we can see like little hair, like super tiny hair. Okay, if we touch it like this, nothing will happen. Okay, but if we try to pull it out of the ground, look at this.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Exactly, will destroy. What happened with this is not only destroying the flesh, but also secreting some kind of poison or chemical or something like that, because it burns a lot. Okay, this scar over here, I did it with this plant. It wasn't deep at all. Okay, it wasn't a deep thing, but it was burning a lot. So you can touch it slowly and you will see it. And I think not so much for the rest of the country, but I still think it did a lot. So now we have 40 kilometers square of protected natural area, which are on the lungs of the city, actually, in the middle of the city. So my question now to you guys is, how many humans do you think will be needed to reflorest all this dense forest back to what is today? How many humans?
What do you think?
5,000.
Woo! That's a big number. Mira?
I I don't know.
I mean, I don't know how bad it was to start with. That's the thing. If it was really bad, then...
Well, the thing is this, Ryan. All this was actually plantations of sugar and coffee. So all this shadow we have didn't exist. They were only plants to this high. So the emperor took them off. Well, not the emperor, of course.
Yeah.
Enslaved in that time. And they start reflourish all this nature. Not only with native plants, but also plants from other places around the world.
Okay, I'll give it 500 people.
All right.
500 people, since it's free labor.
Good number, good number. Nina? Any number, any number?
I guess the same.
All right.
I'm bad with
Once we
numbers.
get to the,
I'm
once we
bad
get
with
to the
numbers.
information center, we will have that information.
Okay. Is it a lot?
All right?
Is it a lot of people?
We will see, we will see.
Come on.
10 people.
10? No way. That's impossible.
We will see. But we already arrived to the information center, and first thing we are gonna see are the houses of some bees. So here we have some native bees of Brazil. Okay, there are more than 300 native species of Brazil that doesn't have the sting, the ferrão, not the ferrão, and they produce a really high quality of honey. But the question is, why we don't use it to produce honey? The thing is, they only produce as much as they need. And the second really cool thing about this information center is this tree over here. Bom dia, pessoal. Tudo bem? Bom dia. Rapaz, this tree we have here will be Pau Brasil,
I know.
the tree that gives the name to this country. How we recognize it? It has little leaves. On the small branches we have also some spines, and their leaves are not symmetrical. If we take one leaf, you will see that one has one size and the other has another size. That's talking about without opening the tree. If we open the tree in half, we will also get some red sap. This red sap was actually the important thing. On the 1600s, when the Portuguese found this tree, they realized they found gold, because red color in the 1600s was really expensive to get. So they started to extract this tree as much as possible, till the point that today is almost extinct. It's the Tijuca National Park, the one that is actually taking care of this tree, and at some points of the tour we might see other little Pau Brasils on the way, but it delays a lot to grow, okay? And now, why we call it Brazil? Brazil, it came from the word brasa. Brasa is that when the coal gets red, and it's really, really red, that will be the brasa, okay? And Brazil came from
I'm
that
Brazilian and I didn't know about that.
word. But that's cool, right?
Yeah. How come he knows more
Here
than
we
me?
have one of the longest trails that they start on the sugar loaf, and it ends on Pedra do Telégrafo. So you have 180 kilometers of trail crossing all the city.
Oh,
Do you want to walk over there?
shit. No. No.
And here we have the answer to how many humans we need to reflourish this park. And will be Constantino, Eleuterino, Leopoldo, Mateos, Maria, and there is Manuel. So 6 humans
No way.
were actually the one who reflourished all this park.
No way.
What I mean with this, nature doesn't need humans. What it needs will be time. Cool, right?
Shit.
So only 6 in slaves.
6?
Cool,
Shit.
right?
And you guessed 10 and I was like, oh, no way.
My third guess, I was almost right.
Oh, fuck. That's impossible. Yeah, you're right. Nature don't need earth.
That's true. What it needs is
That's true.
Holy
those are eucalyptus. You can't believe this blue sky, guys. Look at the curtain.
Oh, I saw. At price.
Ah, yeah. You can get closer first, yeah.
Wait, 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 wait. Okay. Do you want to go there?
Watch out with
Go
the
ahead.
car.
Well, better get it now before I don't know if the
Closer
car
with the
scares it.
cell-
Guess he's
You
used
don't
to
go.
used to hearing cars.
Cool thing about patins, they have a bone on their nose so they can research and dig as he's doing.
Mm.
He get it. He get the bag. Nice, that was cool. That was pretty cool. And now I'm gonna show you one of the oldest members of this park. We don't exactly know how old it is, but the park guess something like 350, maybe 400 years old.
It's amazing, huh?
It is beautiful.
Wow. Whoa. People have flowers?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cold. I just did.
Okay.
Unless you here, you want to take.
No, that's okay.